What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. We're back at it. I'm back at it with another banger. We're here to do an unboxing. Well, technically I already unboxed these. I had to look at them real quick, but I actually customized a pair of Nikes, Nike Air Force Ones to be exact. I made these bad boys. It took a month to finally get to me. They finally got here. They arrived, and I was just too excited. I couldn't wait. I had to see these bad boys, how they looked, how they turned out, and they're pretty fire in my opinion. So we're gonna take a look at what I customized on the Nike. Well, it used to be called Nike ID. Now it's called Nike by You. They just changed the name. Still the same stuff. You can go on the Nike website. You can customize your own shoes. There's like Air Forces. You can customize soccer cleats. You can customize Air Prestos. What else? Fucking Air Maxes. You can customize a whole bunch of shoes. Sometimes they have some special materials that you can use, and some special colors or some special sole or something special. Like I said, like about a month ago, they had this special anaconda type leather material or something. Yeah, a month later they're here, and we're gonna take a quick look at my customized Nikes. So start it off, I already took them out the box. I couldn't wait, but it comes in this white box. It says Nike by You right there, and then you got this small Nike swoosh right here in this corner, Nike by You. It's just a plain old white box. Nothing really special about this. Yeah, you got your stuff, and then right here it just says Nike by You, and you have this ring to pull them out. You open the box, you slide it out. Boom, simple. And then obviously inside the box is the shoes, and we're gonna take a quick look. We're gonna go over the shoe, what I did, what inspired me to do this, and these came out fire in my opinion. So like I said, I customized the Air Force One. Just looking at it, I'm falling more in love with these shoes. But here we have it, my custom Air Force One lows. Boom. What do you guys think? Let me know. Yeah, these are my Air Force Ones that I customized. Obviously you guys see that like snakeskin vibes. Nike had to go find an anaconda to get the snakeskin. No, not really, PETA, don't hurt me. But yeah, these are the Air Forces that I customized. So to start it off, obviously it's a black and white and orange colorway. I try to go for that shatter backboard Jordan 1 type vibes on this Air Force with this like snakeskin print. On the toe box is obviously black snakeskin right there. Boom. The vamp part, this right here, is orange, and it's in that snakeskin. Where the laces go, I went with the black snakeskin, as you guys can see. Your Nike swoosh is in that black snakeskin as well. This side part is just plain white leather. Going to the back, it's orange. Obviously, I went with that shadow backboard vibes. It's orange in the back. Boom. This heel tab right here says Nike Air in black. Boom. Orange snakeskin on the back. Could actually customize this part right here, this heel tab. I was gonna go black, but I just decided to go orange. It would have looked dope in black as well, but I just went with the orange. Still looks good. Going to the side, same thing, white on the side, black snakeskin swoosh. For the midsole, I went with the white, and then right here the Nike or the Air You can actually you could have made that any color. I was gonna keep it white, but then I just decided to go with that black to kind of just give it that pop. And yeah, looks dope. And then your bottoms, I went with this orange, which in person it kind of looks like a dull, a very light orange. But I don't know, it looks dope. I like how it turned out. And obviously you got your black laces, and then your tongue, it has that black snake skin right there, Nike Air in black. Yeah, tongue is that black snake skin. And then your inside, it has it's black leather. Then your insole is just a regular black insole with Nike Air on it. Boom, you guys can see. You can see that black leather lining as well. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. My customized Air Force One shatter backboard inspired with the hit of snakeskin. This snakeskin was actually limited. They did sell out. And I believe if you go on Nike.com and go try to customize a pair of these, they don't have the snakeskin anymore, and I don't think they have the orange color anymore. So it was kind of pretty, I guess you can say it was pretty limited. But yeah, I mean, just keep an eye out. Maybe they'll restock or something, I don't know. But yeah, I definitely like how these came out. Every time I just look at them, I just fall in love more and more. And yeah, man, they just look dope. It's kind of like that shatter backboard Jordan 1 low type vibe with that premium looking material. This snakeskin material, it is kind of stiff, but I mean, like, it is what it is. And yeah, man, I don't know, I'm digging them. Do you guys think I did a good job with these? I think I did a pretty damn well job. But yeah, it took a month, finally here, and definitely happy with the results. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Quick little customized Air Forces video. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, make sure leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.